Hello guys, I'm Jason from the manager and I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to repair a database in Cpanel. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Cpanel account, scroll down to the database section, click on my SQL manager. So it will take you to this user interface which shows you all the database you have created and used. So for today's tutorial, you should click on the database you wish to repair. Click on the repair button. That's it, you successfully repaired your database. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page for more tips. Thank you.